For this video, we're going over what I call the customer relations aspect of the system. So we've all had scenarios where we run into while we're sweeping or while we're inspecting stuff that's outside the scope of sweeping, like couches dumped behind dumpsters, pallets left out behind back doors, all that kind of stuff. So what most people are doing is they just take a picture and they send it via email. And if it's 50 pictures or it's 5 pictures, they're sending it all in one email. It's clunky. It takes a whole lot longer to upload, to send. It takes a pain in the to view and whatnot. So we've come up with a better way, a more elegant way, and a way that also lets you brand yourself a little further. Because as we all know, the more you can get your eyes in front of your customers, the better it is in the long run. So for this one, we went over this in the inspections video, but we'll use site inspections here as an example. So this is a way to take these pictures, like I said. So we've got the site inspection. We've got the issues lined up, and we've got the pictures to go over them. So we've got all of this outlined. All of this is outside the scope of sweeping. So this is all of the pictures compiled. You click public URL, and you're able to copy and paste this link and email it, text it, whatever you need to do to make it send to whoever that you need it to see it. So they click the link. It says it's got your logo, it's got the name of the property, and then, like I said, it's got the comments that were left describing what the picture is. It's got the picture itself. And then it's got an option for them to follow up. So that's one aspect of it. The really cool part is it's designed to cut back on the back and forth between you and your customer. So we've all been there where you send an email or you send a picture in an email. They email you back saying how much. You send them another email with the price. They send you an email back saying take care of it, and so on and so forth. So we really wanted to eliminate all that back and forth. That way you can solve the problem faster and there's no more back and forth. So having said that, so with each picture, or with each inspection rather, there's this pricing button here. So if you click it, it pulls up all of the pictures that you took or your inspector took, whatever it might be. And it's got a space for you to enter the pricing. So for this one, we put in $50. For this one, we put in $25. For the graffiti here, we said that we can take care of that for $30. We've got a ripped up bollard here. We'll do that. We'll put that back in the ground or repair it for $75, so on and so forth. So all of the pictures that you send, you're able to send with the corresponding price. So when your customer clicks that link that you send them with the pictures, the description, and the price, it all pops up in an easy to view way. So we've got picture 3 with the stop sign missing. We said that was going to cost $50. It costs that $50 price pops up there along with the picture. And then from there, your customer just hits the checkbox on what they want, what exactly they want done. So we've got $50. Say they want this $75 one, a $25 one, and so on and so forth. So you can see here, the system will take all of the tally for the stuff that they want done. So right now we've got $150 total. Let's add a $350 job there, and the total or the estimated total change there. So it's a way for the customer to keep track of, what their budget looks like, how much they've allocated to get this stuff taken care of so far. And then on the flip side, it gives you an idea of what this total work order is going to cost, what's been approved, what hasn't been approved, so on and so forth. So you've got your pricing here. All you gotta do is they would hit yes, I would like a follow-up. It sends you an email saying they've responded to the work order request. They've selected what needs to get done, what they've approved, what they haven't approved, and then you can get out and get the job done. So like I said, all of this stuff on top of that is completely customizable. So the logo, the name of the property, the colors, all of that stuff you can change in the system. And then also any branding you want. So like for here, for instance, we've got that we are able to take care of anything, because we'll sub it out if we can't take care of it ourselves. But you can change that as well. And then we've also got the other services we do. We've got our address, our contact information, a link to our Instagram. So this is just a cool, kind of elegant way to get eyeballs on your company, and at the same time, make it easier for your customer to take care of these problems that you find out while you're out on your day-to-day sweeping. So Like I said in another video, this is a great revenue boost. It's a way to earn extra revenue that's outside the scope of sweeping. And then on the same coin, I look at it as, the system pays for itself if I get the customer to agree to fix this handicap sign. And without this system, it's not necessarily a given that they would even know about this handicap sign, or they would look, at the email that you sent with the picture without the link, all that kind of stuff. So it's a great way to get some extra revenue. It's a great way to show that you're professional to your customer, and it's a great way to build up trust with your customer, because they've got a great way to see that you're looking out for them and keeping an eye on the property. So we'll move on to the next video.